Look how cute, you guys. I am in Costco. You will get 8 for $29.99. I think they're so cute, so tiny. Look at that. That is a gift for yourself. New Year's, celebrating at home. This is really cute. A 4-piece silicone baking mat. They're on sale for $12. Your limit is 5 and expires on the 21st for the sale. Food Saver. Okay, pre-cut bags are $29.99. Your limit is 2. Sale ends on the 21st. And you know what? I don't have one, but I'm debating on buying this. $29.99. If you do have one, let me know about it. If it's good, if it's worth it, or should I just stick with like Ziploc freezer? Here's a Food Saver. So on sale for $100. Sale ends the 21st and your limit is 2. Toys for your dog, $15.99, and you will get 2. They have a dog, like DACA, like vodka. I feel like that should be spelled a little different. Maybe a fortune cookie, a little card. You got the Kirkland wine. $300 noise canceling headphones and charging case. Your limit is 5. Oh, you know what? I need one. I actually need one. Let me see if I could. Oh, I don't want to put them on. So yeah. $200 for the Quiet Comfort ear bundle set, like earbud set. 3-year warranty, 3 months of Spotify. $19. We have the mixed wreath, and they are real, and it smells really, really fresh. I love that pine scent. Yes, $17. And of course, those are real. JBL portable Bluetooth speaker. Your limit is 5, and it is waterproof. So, you know, if they drop it or they're jamming out in their tub or, you know, shower. Samsung, a Galaxy Bud Pro with case, $140. Your limit is 5, and the sale ends on the 29th. So these are only $150. Beat Studio Buds. How do you guys feel about this? You get a $10 Apple gift card, digital code included. I kind of like them. My daughter's been asking for AirPods. I don't know, maybe because everybody has them, but I feel like Beats might be better. I don't know. If you guys have Apple Pods or whatever, let me know what you think. Skull Candy over here is $80. Voice control wireless charging. $19. Tough Ladies high waist leggings with pockets, and these are so thick, you guys. These are like my favorite leggings. So yeah, they have it in solid black. You can find kind of like your snake print, if you want to call it that, and there even is a purple one. $13. Gloria Vanderbilt ladies velour pants. They are a pull on, and these look really, really comfy. I mean, just like so comfy, right? And they even have a top to match for $12.99. I love it, and I like this blue color. I love how they feel. Kirkland ladies leggings, $11.99. Your limit will be 10. And these are like actually really, really soft, and they look high rise. So yeah, not so thick like the tough ones, but these are like medium thick. We have Dance Skin. These are $12.99. At the marble, Dance Skin is really good. I like their brand, but they never have extra small. I need extra small. And over here, Kirkland Signature Comfort Pant, like for ladies. It's like a pull-on. They're going to be $15. $14.99. Here's what it looks like. Just an easy pull-on. Gray, blue. And this is more leggings called Max and Mia. $12.99. Really simple. They're kind of thick right here on the band too. And I only see like green and black. Hurley men's joggers, $20. Gray, red, blue. Let me show you a picture. Here's what it looks like. Here is the front. Ew, I may pick up a pair. You always have to downsize. And what are these? Weatherproof vintage men's fleece line jogger. Ooh, they're fleece line, babe. Do you want a pair?
I'd wear them with no underwear.
Don't say that on the internet. And it comes in multiple colors. Lucky ladies color block sweater, $12.99. Here's what it looks like. So it comes in multiple colors. Well, actually, like blue and an all gray. And kind of like that purple. We have Harry Potter. These are $15. Little loungy, cozy hood, you know, robe, you know, hanging out. I even see people wear it in stores. Disney, look at this one. Of course, Disney. And of course, they do have the Mickey ears. I feel like they always have this one. $17, the character two-piece lounge set. Look at Winnie the Pooh. I've never seen Winnie the Pooh here. I think it's absolutely cute. I may have to pick up a Winnie the Pooh one. They do have Mickey and Minnie. And, and here's the ear one. And Harry Potter, of course. Buffalo Lady Super Soft Hoodie is only $9. Your limit is $10. I think I'm gonna grab some. I do like them oversized, so I will up a size for me. But only comes like in this purple, like animal print, all gray, and then green. They also come in all black. I am loving this print. These are the shirt jacket, like the shacket, whatever. Pockets right here. These are absolutely heavy in Costco. Only see this print in brown. Oh, they also have a gray one, you guys, if you just want to be like, you know, neutral. That would kind of go with everything. I was looking for the flannel ones, but they're all sold out. The House of Gucci, Murder, Madness, Glamour, and Greed. $10.99. I've been seeing this commercial everywhere, you know, like that where she does the cross thing. I forgot how it goes, but yeah. 3 women disappear. If you love the First Lady and the Midwife Murders, you must read this book. Dun dun dun. So we have The Last Days of John Lennon at $15.99. Of course, Dune is here. $10.50. Ready Player 2. Oh, are they gonna make a movie? $10.50.
Sounds interesting. There's another Easter egg hidden inside the Oasis.
Oh yeah.
And it's gonna advance technology.
Tell me this is not the cutest thing. This is gonna be $20. Can you believe that is only 20? And you guys, it's a cookie tray. Look how cute that is. He's like so fat. I love this. And they have a Santa one. And Mickey is back for $45. You know we love it. And the Village is $89.99, so $90.
It would be cool if the reindeer moved up and down.
Oh, I know. Duracell C 14 pack is $16.49, and then D 14 pack $16.49, and the only $16.99 would have to be the AAA. AAA, where are you? AAA is somewhere, but AAA
We know double A's
is
really important.
17. And doubles are $15.99. And Kirkland batteries, they're all $14. And actually, I believe Kirkland batteries are made by Duracell. That's what I hear on the streets. $24, you have a storage set. Your limit will be 5 and the sale ends on the 21st. $15, we have the power popper, and of course you will get 2. So I don't see anything too new in the toy department. A lot of it is the same. $20 with remote control and working head and tail light, so that's kind of cool. And over here, $18, we have Spider-Man or Spidey Amazing Friends, and $38, and you will get 60 pieces in here. This is always a good one to have. And down here I see something a little new. Okay, this one is going to be $29.99, and you will get 3. And I believe you might have seen this one before, but it was a different one. This one, they're all different. $49.99, and you know what, I believe in, you know what, I'm not too sure, don't quote me, but I believe in Walmart, I swear I saw it for $34. I'm not too sure, but $50 here. So these are $19 to get a blanket and a pillow. This one is going to be Disney, of course. Here we go. So only see Disney. They do have Harry Potter. Oh, look at his pillow head. How funny. And $22.99. So we're just going to round that to 23. But isn't this guy like the cutest guy ever? I want one, and I'm an adult. I'm an adult now. Look, and he has like a little candy cane. I don't know why, but I know he's blue, but he reminds me, if you guys know that show Oswald, he looks like a character friend from the show Oswald. Yeah. And of course, in the back. Look at that. So cute. VTech smartwatch for children, $39.93. Black and pink, of course, the coolest smartwatch around. White shrimp, head on, shell on, $22. 19 pounds. You know what, I can't eat seafood, you guys. It looks like a bug to me. I'm the only one in my family who cannot get down with the seafood. Yakisoba stir fry, $17.56 in here. $4.99. Organic Tom turkeys, you guys. They're here. Let's see, this is a young turkey. So they're $2.99 per pound. So this one's like $13.85. Your total price is $41. Almost a 15-pounder is going to be $45. So remember, this one is organic, so it's going to cost you a little more. So cock turkey, this is $3.89, so this is going to be $45. So you know, no bones. You know what, that kind of looks good.
Yeah, you can find a spatchcock duck and chicken. You make a turkey.
And over here, fresh tom and hen turkeys, your limit is 5, so there is a limit. So the turkey by what is this, Foster Farms, are $99 a pound, so $17.84. This is only 18 pound. The 18 pound looks kind of small, actually. They do have a 22 pound right there for $22. Blue Label. Okay, we have Johnny Walker, $170. You do get 2 wine glasses, well, you know, stemless. Kirkland Signature Champagne is $20. I haven't tried this, but you guys want to know something? Cracker Barrel has mimosas now. Must be for the Christmas season, holiday season, because I went to Cracker Barrel and I needed like a little pick-me-up, you know. The day before, I went to a concert with my daughter, and I was so tired because I had just got off work too. And then I had to go to a concert, and then I watched the concert through my phone because she was like, record this, record that. I'm like, okay, so yeah. $17 right here. But yes, Cracker Barrel has mimosas, and they were only, how much?
$6.
$6, you guys. So $6.
They're like pre-bottled ones, so yeah, not bad.
$27.89, and of course you will get the glass. $14. We have clam chowder. Has anybody tried this one? My son is a huge clam chowder man. I'm always trying to find him new items to try. Over here, this is $9.89, gluten free, and you know, we could get this in you know, Olive Garden. You know, the tip for Olive Garden, if you have kids who are hungry, even if they're teens, get off the children's menu, okay? Because you'll save a lot of money. You also could get a spaghetti instead of with it, besides the vegetables. Okay, bowls. Let's see, these are $15. These are going to be a new find for my Costco. Reynolds wrap on sale right now. Foil made in the USA, $11.09. So these are on sale right now, $11.39, $3 off. Your limit is 1. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Costco. So here we have Retinol Night Moisturizer, a 2-pack. This is $94.99. Hold on to your collagen anti-wrinkle. This is going to be $34.97. And the neck, $70. So this one's on sale. Your limit is 5, $30 off. So it was $100, and the sale ends on the 21st. Rain Bath Shower Gel, and it's a 3-pack for $15. So I feel like it's not too bad for a 3-pack, because normally like one large one is about like $16, $17. On sale, $15. Now there's no limit, and the sale ends on the 24th. Used to be $20. I hear a lot of you tell me this is really good. I still haven't tried it yet. I'm kind of afraid to try like new stuff because I don't like the burning sensation of your skin. But this one is vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free. Alright you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. And I just picked up, if you want to see my cart, a lot of people ask me about my cart. I'm not doing major grocery shopping right now because, you know, Thanksgiving, but these are for church drop-off. I did have to pick up paper towels, throw it in the garage, something to have backup. I did get the little roll-ups because, you know, everybody loves them. And I just got some ground beef to, like, you know, store in bags. Split it up so slowly. I am a little bit stocking on that. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.